Today, we're exploring some of the best AI tools that can help students enhance their learning experience and boost productivity. Whether you're tackling assignments, studying for exams, or conducting research, these tools are designed to make your academic life easier. So let's dive in. Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, AI Review Hub. First up is Perplexity AI, your personal research assistant. This tool helps you quickly find relevant information across various topics. Simply input your query, and Perplexity will provide concise answers backed by credible sources. It's perfect for students who need to gather information efficiently for essays or projects. Next, we have Hisab.io, an all-in-one calculator that can handle everything from basic arithmetic to complex equations. Whether you're in a math class or need to crunch numbers for a project, Hisab.io makes calculations easy and accessible. Plus, it's user-friendly, so you can focus on understanding concepts rather than getting bogged down by numbers. Moving on to Otter.ai, a fantastic tool for automating lecture notes. This AI-powered transcription service records your lectures and converts them into text in real time. It's especially useful for students who struggle to keep up with fast-paced lectures or want to revisit important points later. Just hit record and let Otter do the rest. Next is StepwiseMath.ai, your personal math tutor. This tool not only solves math problems, but also explains the steps involved in reaching the solution. It's like having a tutor available 24/7. Perfect for students who want to understand the how behind the answers, making it an invaluable resource for math homework. Let's talk about Scholarcy.com, an article summarizer that can save you tons of time. Simply upload a research paper or article, and Scholarcy will generate a summary highlighting key points and important information. This is especially helpful when you have a pile of readings and need to grasp the main ideas quickly. If you found these tools helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.